Hi, I'm at Lowe's and I'm at the Craftsman counter as well as the DeWalt counter. Notice how they're right next to each other. I wanted to point out something that I noticed that's a similarity. If we go to this box and we look at it, it says that this Craftsman is made at 701 East Joppa Road in Towson, Maryland, 21286 as of 2018. So this is simply the brushless drills. If you look at all the boxes, everything for Craftsman's made there. Now if you go over here to the DeWalt line, these are their drills as well. When we look here, DeWalt Industrial Tool Company, 701 East Joppa Road, Towson, Maryland, 21286. So I think that says it all. That you're basically getting a tool that's built by the exact same company in the exact same factory by probably the same engineers and the same builders. It looks like they're just simply marketing to do different types of customers. So if you've got a lot of money, go ahead and buy DeWalt. But if you're smart, just get Craftsman. It's just, you're going to have the same internal parts.